So, this is a great opportunity for one of you lucky robots to become my new assistant. Does anyone want to say anything before we start? Okay, you're all a bit nervous. I can understand that. On to the first question. So, my last assistant, what was her name? Sue, Sharon, Semolina, I forget. Anyhow, that's not important. She somehow got sucked into a black hole.
Don't say it!
Do any of you have any experience with black holes, and how would you deal with that situation? Well, that's a tough one. You have to think we'll circle back to it. Question 2. We need to make what we want our stuff figure for this year to get people to donate all the broken toys for this year's events. Do you have any ideas for video like that? I had enough of this your good rubbish. I need Sharon back. At least she can talk. Sharon, you okay? You look a bit weird.
I have returned. I have drifted through the endless void, beyond time, beyond reason. I have seen the first flicker of existence and the last breath of oblivion. I have feasted on the marrow of eternity to sip from the well of infinity. I am beyond space, beyond thought, beyond comprehension. I see all, I know all, I am all.
Fair enough. Hey, look what is wrong.
What do you need from me, Doctor?
Well, I need to make up everyone that stuff video for this year, but these guys are rubbish.
Maybe we should just use last year's.
Good idea. Don't get down. Excellent work, Sharon. Good to have you back. Now be a dear and get rid of these guys for me, would you?